These are the burdens of a never-ending sleep. I pull the curtains to the windows of my dreams. Are you for certain of the company you keep? Of the company you keep? Now my time is washing away, but do you see in your